What is this? If the buoyant force is greater than the object's weight, the object will rise to the surface and float up. Objects with lower density will float in fluids with higher density. For example, since wood can have a density of about 0.8 GE/ml and water has a density of 1.0 mml. This means that wood will float in water. Only the single lemon has lower density than water, floats on normal water. When salt is dissolved in fresh water, the density of the water increases because the mass of the water increases, but lemon density remains constant. At this point, some lemons have greater density, but some have lower density than solution, so partially sink in solution and partially are floating. By adding more salt, the solution becomes more dense, so as a result, all lemons will float on solution. Remember the water of the Dead Sea that is full of salt, which makes it much denser and heavier than fresh water. If you swim in it, you float very easily.